promises, but it might go over heads. So I just do the work the Father says. But I'm looking at the wide world, it's looking like a mess. And I'm wearing an alarm, trying to get the rest and get sent back to the bar. Still not on the tune, just impress the deeper and you meet them in the noon. Love splash when it's time for clash. The more I flash, the more I got, the more I hand the cash. The prophetess, she rise again. The deeper through the evil with the fire and the flame. Fallacy and scraps, not every messenger to keep the fallacy alive. Hold on and make the masses see realities alive. So they guess it would have happened, that's the clarity aside. Now all you can think about is the vanity and pride. Slowly dying with no passion and charity inside. Now you speak with no morality and lie. And they're looking at your books and there's no dark place inside. So listen to the prophecy that I prophesied. Only know me cause I'm not usher and tired off his guy. Tapping me up on that means of the poverty will rise. Politicians speak with promises, it's probably all lies. And when I'm up, trying just to impress and listen back to the Lord. And it's still not on the tune, just impress me for any need to tell the truth.
How we do it and stay alive. I wonder how we do it and survive. But to the king is how we are and to it and no compromise. I wonder how we do it and alive. I wonder how we do it and survive. I wonder how we do it and we still and stay alive. But the king is how we are and we survive. Alright, it's not about the money, it's not about the brain. We love everything that is the name of the game. You want to know how we came, I know we repay. When righteousness we say we have to come proclaim.